jalapeno cheeseburger mac. So I started out by frying some bacon, and I took it out of the skillet. I cut the bacon into pieces before I fried it. Okay, you wanna try it? See if it's done?
Make sure it's good.
Make sure it's not poisonous.
Clear.
Good? Okay, so I'm gonna add some diced red onion, and without cleaning the pan. Now, if you want to drain off some of the grease, you can, but you don't have to.
Oh.
You can add the jalapenos. And look how many.
Oh my gosh.
Fresh jalapenos. I scraped out most of the seeds just so it wouldn't be overwhelming, but I think it takes a lot for you and me to find jalapenos overwhelming.
I agree.
Garlic, please.
In.
So, Mauricio.
Yes.
While I cook this for a couple of minutes, let's talk. When you first filmed one of my cooking shows, like,
Back
what,
a
April
long
of
time ago?
2020, did you think we would still be doing it over a year later?
No. But it's been so much fun.
Here, I'll let you stir.
Yes.
Because I like for you to be able to contribute.
All right.
Has it been fun? Like, what was your highlight? What was your high moment?
Probably scaring you with all this fake snakes. That was pretty fun.
Rude.
The rat was pretty fun
My
too.
favorite moment of the day is adding the ground chuck to the pan. So scrape that in there. Okay, so we're just gonna cook the beef and we're gonna take turns crumbling it. Here, your turn.
I'm next.
It'll take about 7 or 8 minutes for it to brown. You do the salt, I'll do the pepper. Okay, so we have a few more things to add. So tomato paste.
How much?
Just a big old squirt. Just
Squirt.
go right in the bottom of the pan.
That's good.
That's good.
Okay, and then we can add some of the grainy mustard. How do you feel about mustard?
I love mustard.
Don't burn yourself, this is a hot stove.
Mm-mm-mm.
And then
Smells delicious.
all of the beef broth, please.
All of it.
Grab that macaroni, and I know you're not a pasta fan, but you're a macaroni
I
fan.
love macaroni.
Okay, pour that right on in. And this kind of recipe is a revelation because you don't have to have a separate pot to cook the noodles in, right?
I love that.
And
Easy,
then
less
Worcestershire,
dishes.
Looks so
please.
interesting.
I know, it's gonna be good. So just
How much?
add 3.7 dashes.
1.7.
2, 3.
2, 3.
Good. Okay, I think we're good. So now we're gonna turn it down to a simmer.
Okay.
Put the lid on the pot and see what happens in 10 minutes.
Ooh.
What does it look like?
Look at that.
You can put that right over here. So grab that
Around.
cheese. Now save a little back so we can decorate the top, but add most of it. So this is grated like cheddar.
Oh.
That's fine, here. But you can also do like a little bit of processed cheese or Monterey Jack jalapenos.
Oh,
So we
come
got
on.
fresh jalapenos and jarred jalapenos, okay? In they
I
go.
love jalapenos.
And then I kind of knew that about you, actually. Some parsley, a little more pepper. We're not done yet.
What's next?
Bacon.
Oh,
So this is
Stop
like
it.
bacon cheeseburger mac. Here, you can sprinkle
Oh.
some more on there.
All of it?
Sorry, I called you moron.
Should I do all of it?
You don't have to. And it's good to sprinkle. It's good to sprinkle with your hands because then it doesn't all go in the same place. And then Mauricio, a little bit of cheese.
More cheese?
Yep.
Plop.
Well, it's good to sprinkle it so that it doesn't all go in one
my
place. And then
on,
sprinkle
Mauricio.
sprinkle the parsley.
You
All
need
right.
more flair.
Now this is what you call an easy, simple weeknight dinner. So easy that a newly married couple can make it.
That's me.
Should we take a bite?
Yes.
There you go.
Oh my.
This was special. Oh my
Look at all that
gosh, you found the
cheese.
cheese bite for sure. Here, give me some of that.
How is it?
Good.
That's really good.
Mm-hmm.